Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, my next necrological video is already, again, it is already fully complete details about the Filipino-Chinese film producer, Mother Lily. I'm referring to Mother Lily, the one who is the founder of Regal Films. This time, like the past few days, the one I present is just only simple technological videos. More on kuan siya, yung family background. Ito, pagsasabay natin ang Regal Babies at yung family background in one roof na. Ibig sabihin, lahat isahan na. So, yun. By the way, I would like to inform to all viewers, I'm using Filipino and English. Sa Chinese, I can only assure is Hokkien. Yes, she can understand Chinese, but the only thing that I can assure the dialect is only Hokkien except Mandarin. Gone, Oi. So, yun, that is an Hokkien. Ito, review lang to ha. She was born on August 14, 1939, as what I've said in my past necrological video. She died on August 4, 2024 at age 84. 15 days before her 85th birthday. Not old age ang kinamatay or natural causes. This time, ito ay more on Regal Babies. Sa description, meron ako ilalagay doon, Regal Babies in 80s, Regal Babies in 90s, Mother Lily, Regal Films, Regal Entertainment, Filipino Showbiz Matriarch, Real Entertainment Founder. By the way, may nagtatanong sa akin, ang age 84, paano ba i-pronounce sa Chinese? Puetsapsihe. Puetsapsihe. Yan. Okay. Sino itong Regal Babies yung time ni Mother Lily? By the way, her full name is Lily Yu Monteverde. Lily Yu Monteverde. Okay. Sino itong mga Regal Babies? Alma Moreno, Snooki Serna, Maricel Soriano, Lorna Tolentino was included. Ang hindi ko na-mention yung sa necrological video, itong si Judy Vega, Janice de Belen, Aga Mulak, Gabi Concepcion, Aiza Sigera, yung tiyatawag ngayon na ICE Sigera. Marami sila, actually, mahaba-haba ito. I would like to for this is already heavy. 1990s, Sunshine Cruz, Donita Rose, Rufa Gutierrez, Carla Estrada, Jackie Forster, Carmina Villaruel, Aiko Melendez, Gretchen Barreto. Kung maririnig mo itong Goma, Richard Gomez, yes, he is part of Regal Babies. Ay, may nagtanong pala sa akin, ito bang si William at Albert Martinez, yung brothers, ay part ba Regal Babies? Yes. Part din sila. She has produced more than 300 films, more than, lagpas. Meron siyang award-winning films, Sister Stella L, Relasyon, Pahiram ng Isang Umaga, Bilangin ang Bituin sa Langit, Hinugot sa Langit, meron po siya. Then sa Metro Manila Film Festival, meron siyang award-giving body, meron po siya. Ito po yung Mano po, yung pinaka-beginning, year 2000 po yan na launch. Tapos iba pa yung Mano po to My Love. Siya din po ang may kuwan. Then yung first niyang movie, yung pinaka-simula, nag-start siya actually 1974, yung title Magsikap, Kayod sa Araw, Kayod sa Gabi. Nagkaroon ng sold out tickets sa cinema, 4 million pesos. 4 million pesos. Yan yung simula Then doon na nag-start ang kuan. Then yung namatay siya, nagkaroon ng wake and memorial service sa 38 Valencia Events Place mismo sa Quezon City. Nilibing siya sa katabi ng husband niya, si Leonardo Remy Monteverde. Yung kamamatay lang last July 29, 2024. Siya po ay nilibing sa Heritage Park. Doon niyo siya makikita. Heritage Park, Taguig City, yung August 10, 2024. Nagkaroon ng funeral mass tsaka public viewing in a two categories. Yung isa, August 5, 3:30 hanggang 12 midnight, yung August 5. Then, August 6 to 9, 10 a.m. to 12 midnight. So, yun. Nagkaroon ng koan. So, yun lang. Then, ang sa children, meron siyang natirang surviving children, grandchildren, at great-grandchild. Yan yung great-granddaughter, sinabi ko yung Micaela. Okay, review lang ito ha. Yung sa children, 6 ang kanyang anak. Siya si Winnie, Winston, Meme, Rosel Teo, Don. Kung marinig nyo Goldwyn, siya si Richard Goldwyn, yung UAAP basketball champion coach, yung UP Fighting Barons, anak niya rin yan. Yung apo niya, 7 ang nakasurvive. Si Kit, Keith, Teo, Bridget, Matthew, Redwin, Jewel, Kristen. So, yun lang po ang kuan. By the way, baka magtanong kayo sa akin, meron bang issue yung tungkol sa white cloth, yung sinasabi na magic cloth? Actually, meron. Nagpasa-pasa mga actress, then nag-click ang mga movies. Then, yun, hanggang hanggang lumago na yung movies, ayun, nag-prosper siya. So, yan lang, nakuha ko na po. So, since this is already mission accomplished, kasi yung past kong video nagkaroon ng technicality sa time duration, kaya ginawa ko yung isa simple necrological video. Ito kompleto na talaga. Ito siya is dual English and Filipino. So yun. And by the way, before I say goodbye, don't forget to click subscribe, and of course, after subscription, click the notification bell for my next necrological videos. Again, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my next necrological videos. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon. And kung meron kayong kakilalang artista na namatay na, pwede niyo ako i-post sa comment, or pwede niyo ako i-PM sa Steve Rooster Ong. Yan yung aking FB account. So, yun lang po. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon.